So this guy asked a question. He says, what is it when the blower motor / blower fan makes no noise until you take it out and clean it and put it back in? I was just trying to clean the fans off and did a pretty good job of it, but now the motor sounds like a sonic boom jet turbine. I had a guess. And can you tell me, as an HVAC novice, if I'm on the right track?
Tell me again what he said.
So it never made a noise before. He took it out and cleaned it, put it back in. It's still working, but it sounds really, really loud. I have an idea, and I was wondering if I might be right. Okay, my dad, when he was here, he cleaned my blower wheel.
Yeah.
And he says that if you don't clean it out, like basically perfectly, it could knock it off balance. You know, like if you left some of the dirt kind of crusted on a couple of the fins, it might knock it off balance. That was my thought, but I wasn't gonna
that's possible. Sucked in a piece of paper, then it can run off balance like an off balance washing machine. The question I would ask him is, tell me about the process you used to clean it. You know, because if he just like took a can of compressed air, which a lot of people use to clean blower wheels, and just sprayed it out, it's like, well, that's not going to do anything. But if he actually removed the motor, wiring, like he went all out, then it's like, okay, well, he really might have screwed something up. The other thing to make sure that he did is make sure that he plugged back in the capacitor, if there's even a capacitor on his, would be to make sure the capacitor is plugged back in, because I don't know about noisy, it'll run slower, but it like whines when it tries to run. Tell me about how you cleaned it. Did you remove the motor, remove the housing, remove the wheel, or did you use another method? Gosh, I hope he didn't wash it out with the motor in place. You know, I mean, something like that. That'd be why I'd ask him.
Yeah, and my dad definitely said, like, when he was here, this is not a DIY type thing to remove the blower motor and fan and try to clean it yourself. Like, what can happen? Yeah.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
I was just wondering what could happen to your furnace now. If
you could put the blower wheel on wrong, you could put it on not centered. So then when it starts spinning 1100 RPM, it's hitting the housing. So it sounds like metal scratching against metal. And so that may be what he's got going on. The capacitor can get unhooked, which can cook that motor. It can overheat the motor. You could miswire something and smoke the motor. I mean, there's a number of things that people can do. That's why when a blower wheel is cleaned, it's not just your typical little changing filter kind of task. It's like, you're completely uninstalling the motor, circuit board and everything, and taking the entire housing and the wheel and everything out in the yard, spraying it with coil cleaner, and then washing it out with a hose. I mean, they're letting it dry and putting it all back together again. Not exactly something that I would recommend a homeowner do. Okay. Yeah, that would be the question I'd want to know, is how did you clean it? If it's close to the housing and it's like nicking the housing every time it spins around, to me, that's just going to make a ding 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 ding, like a metal hitting metal, but not the whole time. Scraping every time it swirls around, which can sound pretty fast intervals, but still sounds really loud.
Yeah.
To me, that wouldn't define sonic boom jet engine. Yeah. Now I will say, I mean, depending on how dirty the wheel is, if a blower wheel is brutally dirty, and that wheel is trying to scoop and move air, it recognizes I can't do it, and depending on the kind of blower motor they have, those might just slow down. They're not designed to recognize that kind of buildup and speed up. It just starts slowing down. And so now it's possible, if the guy really did a good job, it's all clean now, and this motor for the first time ever is going, oh, now I can move some air. And so it's possible that it's now moving more air,
so much air,
and adequately, right, than it was ever doing before. That's possible too.
Okay, cool.
Depends on how dirty it was.
That's a good one.